Okay, so what we're looking at here are tools that can facilitate teacher grading or informal assessment. And you could actually use some of these for formal assessment as well. So let's start off with Socrative. And Socrative is, well, you can click on it to get more information about exactly how to use it. But I can say that it would be applicable to anybody teaching any subject because there's all sorts of different ways that you can use it. You can put in your own questions, and it can be used either competitively so that you can put your class in teams and then have them race these little boats against each other or little spaceships, whatever you prefer, and or you can have it more individual. And at the end of each activity, then it can send you a report and let you know what the students' answers were for each report. And that's important for achieving one of our goals of focusing on those students who need some extra assistance. Then this will allow you to even pinpoint students who are very quiet and maybe well behaved, a little bit harder to identify as those who are needing some extra help. Google Forms is another thing that you can do all sorts of different forms of questions. You can do questions where you have an image and then the kids might have to choose the correct word that would go with that image, like if you have younger elementary school kids, or if you are a science teacher and you want to have an image of a certain type of cell division, then you could have the kids identify what that is. So Google Forms is another one that's going to be very useful for a lot of different people. Blendspace is it's a thing where you can have the kids look at different PowerPoints, for instance, and you can tell how long they've spent on each slide, and you can use that as part of your evaluation for them. So that's worth looking into. And then Edmodo you may have used in other ways, like to send a link to your class or to have an online class discussion. But the link just shows you how to make quizzes in Edmodo. And that's a really nice capability that it has because it will grade your quizzes for you. Or you can also do a combination quiz where it does part of the grading for you, and then you have free form for the others. But in either case, then you're not going to be bringing home a bunch of papers and shifting through them all in order to try and get them graded quickly. So hopefully these tools will be helpful for you. I would urge you to check out each tool and see if you can think how you could use it in your classroom, and I hope you enjoy them.